Hello all, welcome back to our new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about Excel move cells. In the Excel move cells, I would like to elaborate the topic drag and move cells and cut and paste the details in to another cell, copy and paste from one cell to another cell, delete cells and delete cells and also data. We are going to discuss all these subtopics in the which comes under Excel move cells. Okay, now let's open our Excel sheet. Okay, here I am giving a1 2 sorry a1 2 b3 4 c5 6. Okay, here I am giving as a name and I am giving as green, red. Okay, here you could do first. You have given three layers for the details, the name, and for example we guess these numbers, and we have given the title as name, green and red. Okay, now in order to make these cells mm, like if you want to duplicate these cells, you can you should select this like this by using the left mouse button, and you should click on the right button. Then you will get multiple options here, like you can cut here, and like after clicking on the cut, it will be like this, and you just click on the cell which you need, and you just click on the right click, and you just give the paste here. See, the details have been automatically copied and paste. Like cut is nothing but it will copy and it will get paste. Okay, now we are cutting these details from here, and we are replacing the same from same back there. Now in order to reverse this, in order to use mouse, I will tell you a keyboard shortcut. It is Control Z. If you give Control plus Z at a time, then it will make you to retrieve back, to go back to the previous step which you have done here. Okay, now the same thing, you copy all the data by using the left mouse button and click on the right mouse button, then you copy this and you paste the same. Like you have duplicated the data for two times. Okay, if you don't need, you can click on the Control Z, then automatically it will, the data, the step which you have created, it will be automatically went off. And like moving data is nothing but from here to the cell, like from one cell to the other cell which you want to move, you can use the options for the cut, copy, and after doing that operation you can paste on the cell which you require. Okay, and also by doing this kind of cut and move, the benefits are you can easily copy or paste the data, paste the data for the cell which you need, and also you could fill the remaining tabs with the data which you need. Okay, and also you can easily shift the data from one cell to another cell without using anything. Like if you, for the same operation, if you do not have mouse, then you need to give, like for cut you need to give the keyboard option, like control, you need to press control plus X for cut, for cutting the data, control plus V for pasting the data, control plus C for copying the data. if you want to duplicate the data, you should click on the control D, so that automatically the tabs will be filled with the data which you require. Like you have option for dragging like this, or else you can give control D, control plus D, duplicate data. Okay, now how to delete the cells? Like you click on this everything, and after you can go, you can click on the right mouse button and you can use the option delete. You can give shift cells left or shift cells right, everything, or like what you need. Like you can use this shift all the cells to the left, or else shift all the cells to the up, and to delete the entire row or entire column, everything. Like I am giving the shift all cells to up, so that the all the data will be deleted, and this data will come, this data will move forward. Okay, and if you don't want this the data, like if you want to retrieve the data which you have deleted right now, you should use the step control Z for going back. I'm typing here control plus Z, go back to previous step. Okay, and that's all for this session, guys. I hope you guys understood like how to cut the data, how to paste the data, and how to copy the data, and also how to duplicate the data in between each cells, and also how to go back to the previous steps which you do not need. Okay, I request you to give a like for this session, and you just comment your doubts in the comment section, and also you could share this video to your friends who require knowledge on the Excel from beginners to experts. And also please share, subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.